We need to rethink how we see time in this age of AI.
Absolutely. Dastakoup's latest piece really hits on something important. It's not just about being fast anymore. It's about when to act, when to wait, even when to hold off on deciding at all.
So time is less of a race and more of a medium.
Exactly. Time almost regains a texture. Some things are instant now, while others, well, they stretch out deliberately. Pauses are back, and reflection isn't seen as a bad thing.
Okay, so busyness isn't really a badge of honor anymore?
It's becoming less convincing, yeah. Presence, like clarity in conversation, calm decision making, that's what's gaining weight.
And what about closure? Finishing things.
Closure becomes optional. Some questions can stay open, decisions can mature slowly, time becomes a partner, not some enemy of productivity that we need to fight.
So the courage to slow down is key?
Definitely. It's about trusting judgment over just, keeping up the momentum. Meaning over motion, really.
Sounds like the big question shifts from how fast can you move to when is the right moment?
That's it. It's not that we get more time, it's that we have more responsibility for how it's used. It's about our relationship with time, not the clock itself that shifts.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Thanks for sharing this insightful perspective.